When it comes to taxes, the rich are not doing anything illegal, they are just smarter about how they handle them. While the average person is stuck paying a hefty chunk of their income every year, the wealthy know how to leverage the system to minimize their tax burden. If you want to understand how they do it, here are 12 ways to rich avoid paying taxes. First, rich people use tax advantages. Investment accounts. They know about accounts like growth, IRAs, and 401ks that allow their investment to grow tax free or tax deferred. By taking advantage of these, they can avoid paying taxes on gains until they take money out, which might be decades down the line. Second, they take use of deductions and credit. The rich often have tax accountants who have exactly what deductions they can claim, from business expenses to charitable donations. These tax deductions reduce their taxable income and lower their overall tax liability. Third, they invest in real estate. The wealthy know that real estate is a powerful tool for avoiding taxes. Through depreciation, they can deduct a portion of their property's value each year, lowering their taxable income. They also use 1031 exchange to defer capital gains taxes when they sell a property. Fourth, they create trust. Wealthy people create trusts to shield assets from taxes and to pass wealth down to future generations without triggering large state taxes. Trusts provide a way to legally avoid and reduce inheritance taxes by transferring assets to heirs while controlling how the assets are distributed. Fifth, they take advantage of tax loopholes. While loopholes are often controversial, the rich know how to exploit them legally. For example, certain tax loopholes related to offshore investment of offshore account can be drastically reduce their tax bills. Sixth, they deduct businesses expenses. Many wealthy individuals own businesses and they know that business expense can write off. From travel to meals to office supplies, these deductions allow them to reduce their taxable income, sometimes significantly. Seventh, the rich use capital gains tax advantage instead of earning ordinary income. They prefer to make money through investments like stock, real estate, or business. Capital gains, especially long term capital gains, are taxed at a lower rate than regular income, giving them a tax break on their investment profits. 8. They often live in tax friendly states like Florida, Texas, and Nevada don't have states income taxes, so the wealthy will often establish residence in these states to avoid paying state taxes on their income, dividends, and investments. 9. The wealthy use charitable donations strategically. Charitable contributions can be deducted from taxable income, and the rich often donate significant amount to charity, reducing their overall tax burden. Many wealthy people even set up their own charitable foundations to control where their donation go while getting a tax break. 10th, they engage in tax deferred retirement accounts. Wealthy people use these accounts to defer taxes until retirement.